short video, I will explain a little bit of graphing in Excel. So here we have an Excel sheet. Take into account this is a Mac, so the things are a little bit different in Windows, but the idea is the same. So suppose we want to represent these values. Don't take it like X variable. So let's change here the name to this, and let's put it F, the first function, G, second, and H, third function. So we want to represent this function. We highlight the values we want to represent, and we go to Insert, and we choose this one that is lines, and we choose some line. Now you have to understand that this Excel understand that this is the value of the function when x is 1, x is 2. This is the value of the function when x is 3. So the 3 here has a value of 4, and then the 4 has a value of 6. So it's understanding as the image of 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Of course, it looks a little bit chart title here. Let's see if we can modify this, highlighting the F, going to Insert, line, line. So it tells us it's F. If we want to add another one, we can, for example, one option is highlighting both. So we can here click on the F, hold your shift up to the 3, insert, lines, and here we have two of them. And moreover, it tells this is F and this is G. We could add one more by highlighting the H, or we can come here, right click, select data, and then we say add one data series. The name we're going to give it is H because it's a function H, and the values, the simple thing is to come over this type of small tiny Excel sheet, click there, now highlight there, press the shift, press your mouse and go all the way down, hold your mouse, come back where it says this down arrow and press OK. And there we have added in gray the H, as you can see. Let me show you one more case, different example. Like for example, you have several years and the values. Now we don't want to highlight it, graph the years, because that would be too simple and will give just a straight line. What we want to say is that in year 1980, the value of whatever, it was this much. Say your savings in 1985 was this much, and we want to graph so that the years are on the x-axis, the horizontal, and the values on the vertical. So we come here, year, hold your shift key, up to down there, go to insert, and the graphs, instead of taking the lines, take this one, a bunch of scatter. Click there, click any of them, for example this one. Now you have, this is the point when in 1980, as you can see here, the value is a little bit more than 1200. 1980 more than 1200. So it's graphing correctly. If you want to make an approximation line, you should go to one over the points, right click, and go to add trend line. And you say it's linear, and you display equation on the chart, close this, go over the equation and move it. So this is telling you that the value is approximately 7.53 times the year minus 13,000. It got into commas because of some English Spanish problem, but don't worry about that. And that's it for graphing.